I describe big wave riding, especially like you're in the fire department. You don't know when the fire's coming, but you know there's going to be a big one. But you got to be ready, and you got to be ready all the time. And sometimes that's an arduous process. When you spent 30 years being ready to go out and die, there's a reality there that, so you have that in your mind when it's giant that you could die. I mean, it's real clear. You spend 30 years doing that, 30, 40 years doing that, tiring, being ready all the time. Like, when are you going to do? Oh, I don't know, maybe tomorrow, next day. Like, I mean, we have windows of time. You still have the southern hemisphere, so you can still go to the southern hemisphere in the summer. So that's when their winter is. You know, in the world, there's opportunity probably 8 or 10 months a year to find a giant wave to ride. But then you got to be in that mental state.